Salam. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Can sit down there.
Sit down.
So you still the only one speaking English all the time?
Yeah, but there are few people, but yeah, around just me, yes.
She study?
She's studying, yeah. She's grade 7.
And you, what you guys are doing?
He's
Shoes work.
It is Ethiopian traditional drink.
Okay. So what this is?
Distilled at home, like vodka.
This is vodka.
Vodka, yes.
Not too strong. I don't know if this tastes good.
Come.
It brings high.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to
Chat.
get high because I know like some countries like shut down electricity.
You might have seen recently we have built the biggest dam in Africa of
yeah.
our generation.
Okay.
Yes.
Ethiopian people want to stay in Ethiopia, or they prefer trying to find some solution
Some solutions
outside.
by going
Yeah.
everywhere in the world.
Yeah.
Most people in Ethiopia are not happy to live here.
Uh huh.
Rather, they prefer to seek asylum abroad.